I've never actually done this lab, so this is kind of cool.
All right, guys. Now we're checking back in on our single displacements. Let's see if we could put it against something white so you can see it better, maybe. That works. All right, test tube number 1. There is a bunch of stuff down there in the bottom, and you have a nice little light blue thing going on in the top. All right, that's number 1. You guys are going to describe that and say what you see happening. That's test tube number 2. It looks like there's a black solid on the bottom of the, what was in there?
It's
lead,
yeah.
But it wasn't that dark before. So it looks like something's going on there too. Test tube number 3. Oh yeah, baby. We got some stuff growing down there. Definitely something going on. Test tube number 4. Dude, that's the copper and sulfuric acid, and doesn't look like not anything is going on there. Looks pretty boring. And this is the zinc with, where is that? Is the zinc down at the bottom? I can't even see it. There's nothing really going on in that one either that I can tell. What do you think?
Yeah, the zinc's the same.
Yep, looks exactly the same. And then we have, last but not least, I can't even see. It's floating on the top. There we go. There's something going on in that one, but it's hard to see what it is. Oh, there it is. Something's happening. All right, there's some bubbles. Bubbles at the top.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so that is the end of the single replacement reaction. Now you guys are going to go and fill in the table for each test tube. So if you saw a reaction, then you put the single metal on the top. If you didn't, you put it on the bottom. And then you're going to arrange your metals in the activity series, answering these questions based on what you did up above. Okay? After that, you go through and you're going to answer questions based on what you observed and what conclusions you can make based on the activity series. Make sure you all have your activity series, your periodic table in front of you as you are answering these questions. And then the last table for the reactions that you saw. There were 2 that we saw that did not have any reactions, so you would not be filling those out. But for each reaction, you will write oxidation, half reaction, and reduction, half reaction. Remember, oxidation will have electrons on the right-hand side, and reduction will have electrons on the left-hand side. If you forgot how to write these half reactions, they have showed that to you on page 8-7 here, where they showed you the magnesium half reaction is oxidation, meaning the electrons are on the right, and the reduction half reaction is this one with the hydrogen, where the electrons are on the left. And that's what they're looking for in that part. And then you guys are going to know that if the magnesium got oxidized, that's the oxidation half reaction. If magnesium got oxidized, it's considered the reducing agent. And if hydrogen got reduced, it's considered the oxidizing agent, okay? So this should be a review of this information, but that's what goes all on that last page, okay? If you have any questions, send me an email. Bye.